Welcome to week 2 of Cinema History. This week we're going to focus on the origins of cinema. Where did cinema come from? Where did the first film camera come from? Who invented it? How did they invent it? We're going to answer some of those questions this week. And in doing so, we're going to look at a history of photography and other technologies that were popular in the 19th century, such as the zoetrope. And we're also going to talk a bit about visual culture and how that evolved into a cinema of attraction. So I've split up this week's lecture into two pieces because there's quite a lot to cover, trying to cover from about 1849 to 1905. So the first lecture is going to focus on the history of photography and visual culture in the 19th century specifically. And then the second lecture is going to focus on the things that happened right around 1895 to 1900 and beyond, as innovators such as Thomas Edison and the Lumiere brothers and others developed technology that could actually create what we call cinema today. And I'm going to focus in on some of the special filmmakers that are seen as some of the first directors and editors and cinematographers as well. So enjoy this week, and I look forward to discussing and to hearing your discussions about these early films.